Hola! Welcome to another Spanish lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to do a quiz. Can you beat Mono? 10 questions, 10 points available. How will you get on? See you in a minute. Before we get started, just remember that any language from this quiz is language we've seen before in previous videos. So if you're a bit rusty with any of the questions, you just might need to go back to the video and refresh your memory. Are you ready? Mono, are you ready? ¿Estás listo?
Sí.
Let's go. Challenge number 1. Can you count to 10 in Spanish? Off you go, counting to 10, go! Okay, Mono, your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well done, Mono, you got that right. Let's all count together to 10.
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10. Give yourself a point if you got that right. I'm going to give Mono his point now. Well done, Mono. Off to a great start, this one. Right, question 2. How do you say, Mum, Mum, I want some sweets? Mono, your turn.
Mamá, quiero chuches.
That's correct again, Mono. It's Mamá, quiero chuches. Repeat that after me. Mamá, quiero chuches. Super. Give yourself a point if you got that right. Mono, you're getting another point. Okay, let's move on to question 3. How do you say in Spanish, I have a monkey? Mono, what do you think?
Quiero mono.
Oh, Mono, you were close. It's not quiero mono, because that would be I want a monkey. Quiero mono, I want a monkey. What I said was I have a monkey. How do you say I have? Well, it's tengo. Tengo un mono. Repeat that after me. Tengo un mono. Well done, and give yourself a point if you got that right. Unlucky, Mono, you had a good try, and that is what it's all about. Question 4. How do you ask the question, is there an apple? Mono, your turn.
Una manzana.
Oh, good try, Mono. You did say una manzana, an apple, but we've forgotten the verb. And the verb for is there in Spanish is I. I. A bit like the I you see with. I una manzana. Repeat after me. I una manzana. Well done, and give yourself a point if you got that right. Unlucky, Mono, I'm impressed by your effort. Good try. Let's go on to question 5. How do you say in Spanish, I'm cold? Mono, what do you think?
Tengo frío.
Well done, Mono, and well remembered. In Spanish they say, I have cold. Tengo frío. Repeat after me. Tengo frío. Good, so I'm cold is tengo frío. Give yourself a point if you got that right. I'm going to give Mono his point now.
Yippee!
Well done, Mono, you've got 3 points. You're doing so well. Really impressed. Keep it up, matey. Right, let's go on to the next question. Question 6. How do you say in Spanish, I'm 7 years old? Mono, what do you think?
Tengo 7.
Ooh, close, Mono. It's not tengo 7, that's I have 7. You're just missing the word years at the end of that sentence. Because in Spanish they say, I have 7 years. They don't actually say, I am 7 years old in the same way we do. They say, I have 7 years, which is, tengo 7 años. Repeat that after me. Tengo 7 años. Well done, and give yourself a point if you got that right. Good try, Mono, you're doing really well. Question 7 then. How do you say the colour blue in Spanish? Blue. And Mono, what do you think?
Blanco.
Oh, I can see why he thinks blanco. Blanco starts with the bl sound, just like blue in English. But blanco isn't blue, is it? Blanco means white. Blue in Spanish is azul. Azul. Repeat that after me. Azul. Now give yourself a point if you remembered that blue was azul. Mono, don't worry, you did really well to remember the word blanco. Just remember that means white in Spanish and not blue. Question 8 then. How do you say it's a white seagull? Tricky one, this one. It's a white seagull. Your go. And Mono, what do you think?
Es una blanca gaviota.
Oh, Mono, so close. You said es una blanca gaviota, like we say in English, it's a white seagull. But just remember in Spanish, they swap that around, don't they? They put the adjective after the noun. So it's es una gaviota blanca, and blanca goes after gaviota. Es una gaviota blanca. Repeat after me. Es una gaviota blanca. Great. And if you got that one right, amazing, and give yourself a point. If you didn't, don't worry, you're doing really well. Question 9 then. How do you say happy birthday in Spanish? Mono, what do you think?
Feliz cumpleaños.
Yes, Mono, well done. It's feliz cumpleaños. Happy in Spanish is feliz, and birthday in Spanish is cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños. Repeat after me. Feliz cumpleaños. And now say it like you really mean it. Feliz cumpleaños! Great, give yourself a point if you got that one right. I'm going to give Mono his point. Wow, Mono, you're on 4 points. You're doing really well. And it's time for our last question. Question 10. How do you say in Spanish, I'm happy? Mono, your turn.
Estoy triste.
Oh, Mono, estoy triste is I'm sad. I'm happy is estoy feliz. Remember, feliz like in happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños, I'm happy, estoy feliz. Repeat that after me. Estoy feliz. Well done. And you can actually also say estoy contento, which is another way of saying I'm happy. Estoy contento. And girls, ladies and women, they would say, estoy contenta. Right, add up your points and see how many you got out of 10. Mono, you got 4 points. That's amazing because learning a language is not easy. 4 points is a great score. Well done, Mono. How did you do? See you again soon for more Spanish. Hasta luego.